Today's video comes courtesy of Sam's Beauty. They sent over this gorgeous wig that I picked out myself. I think I did amazing this time. This beautiful wavy ash blonde wig sits about 24 inches. Super gorgeous. So I went ahead and customized her herself, or myself rather. I really wanted to show you really quickly in the beginning what it's going to look like in the end, because in the beginning, I promise you, when you put this wig on, it ain't going to look this fly. So go ahead and keep on watching if you're interested in seeing how I slayed this synthetic wig for the gods. And of course, as always, if you're feeling these amazing videos that I've been putting out for you guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you'll keep on watching and you won't miss a beat. With this one, I picked this one from Red Carpet Premiere. It's a lace front wig, VEGA Perfection lace wig, and I got her in the style VEGA. And it is a SR4/creamy blonde. This look here is a 12-inch bob. I have her link down below, so make sure you guys check her out. So this is what the wig looks like. It comes pre-parted, I believe, down the center, or maybe this is a side part. Yeah, this is the side part, and it's kind of curved around, so it'll kind of like swoop. Nice dark brown roots. I prefer a black root generally, but since we have an ash blonde and ash brown, it's gonna kind of complement that really well. You have a nice netted wig cap, and as you guys can see in there, that side part all along down that way. Couple combs in here. You have your comb in the back with adjustable straps, which we will need, and then you don't have any combs up front, which works out because I really never use those. As far as the length of the hair goes, you have a nice ash blonde wave. It's called creamy blonde, SR4 creamy blonde to be exact, and it is gorgeous. Some nice beautiful waves, and of course you have your tag attached. So this one off the bat feels really good. Unlike virgin hair wigs and human hair wigs, a lot of times those don't fit snug, but synthetic wigs do. So I don't want to start combing it off the bat because, again, this is a synthetic wig and you kind of want to know what you're dealing with before you start manipulating it. But it does fit super snug. It fits super flat around the hairline. Had to kind of pry it on and get it on, and then the back fits tight too. The only thing is I take that comb in the back and I hook it under into my braids, under my wig cap that is, and that helps it to fit super snug. Now, and this is how beautiful the curls look when you let them go. Super beautiful. If I have to guess, I would say this is about between 22 and 24 inches. I would say 24 because it comes literally perfectly to the center of my butt, which is really nice. It's lightweight in the sense that it's nice and full and long, but it's not heavy. Like, you don't feel like a toddler wearing their mom's wig where it's just super heavy. When you just plop it on and comb it out, this is what you have. This does not look realistic. This is like your auntie trying to be hip. So we're going to go ahead and slay her and try to get her to look as realistic as possible. Starting off, I'm going to go ahead and heat my flat iron. Now, these synthetic wigs are usually heat iron safe, but not too much. So you don't want to go over, say, about 350 degrees unless the package tells you otherwise.
Okay, we're going to speed up just for a little bit so I can show you guys the steps I'm going to take to make it not look as wiggy. So first off, they give you a slight ear tab. I'm going to take a little bit of that hair and kind of make it like sideburns. Now, typically I tease the hair as I cut it so that it's not just a blunt cut. And as you see, it kind of makes the hair a little bit coarse, which might work in our favor. I find that whenever I work with blonde hair, this always happens. Now I'm going to go ahead and take and kind of make a little bit of baby hair. So basically, you just take the back end of your rat tail comb and separate the hair that you would like to be baby hair. This is the area that I would like to be baby hair, but it's a little bit too thick. So I go ahead and I take a pair of tweezers and just tweeze my life away. Now, if you're used to tweezing hair on a lace frontal or a lace closure that is like human hair, you will find that with synthetic wigs, the lace is a little bit tougher to get through, but you'll get through it. Just hold on to the lace with like one finger or one hand kind of to hold it in place and tweeze your life away. So this is the amount that I took out because the hair on the rest of the wig is pretty thick. I didn't want to make it too thin because when it's like super thin baby hair and super thick hair, it kind of gets lost in a way. I do tweeze the hairline pretty short, maybe about a half to a quarter inch long, and more so I just wanted to frame that parting and not really go all the way around. If you're wearing this wig like for real, like for a couple of days, I would definitely make the baby hair all the way around, but I kind of just finessed it to just be where the parting is, so that, you know, that's really the only place you're gonna see the way I'm going to style and wear this hair, especially because it's a side part. Now, I just took a bit of my foam lotion to kind of seal the hair, make it look styled, kind of give it a little bit of shine, take away that baby hair, or I'm sorry, that frizz and flyaways. And then I press that in, seal that in with the hot comb. Don't leave the hot comb directly on the wig because it will burn since it is synthetic. Once you've done that, I've trimmed down the baby hair a little bit more and straightened it out. And then I add powder to the parting to kind of match my skin tone. I do find it a bit tricky with synthetic wigs. The powder always looks a lot more red than with human hair wigs. So be careful and try to find a powder that will match as best as possible. You can always use a liquid concealer as well.
So I'm going to see what it do with some bobby pins. I've got some cute little rose gold ones. Or should I use the gold? I'm going to use like 2 or 3 of the gold ones. Free to do more than 3. I just kind of want to give you an idea of what it would do. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me give you a little bit of close up. You guys seen I did some baby hair. Oh, I did realize that it does slide back a little bit, so definitely add your elastic bands, because I do find that as I continue to play with it, it keeps trying to run away from my hairline a little bit. But yeah, that's a simple fix. Just add your little elastic band and it won't move at all. You can also adjust the wig to go in different directions if you want a deeper part, which I kind of feel like will look cute too. Yeah, and she is literally the perfect ash blonde, brown girl friendly look. And she looks cute in a little top. I think this one is super cute. I had to go ahead and change for some cute little pictures. She is a tangler, so I do recommend using your fingers to go ahead and, you know, get through her. I would also recommend that, like, if you have some large, like, flexi rods, that probably would be the best way to store her, just because if you store her in a bag like this and try to come back a couple months later, she might mat up on you. Can't say for sure because I've never tried it, but I did add these little cute bobby pins and a little bit of baby hair, and we are good to go. So yeah, don't forget to check out this one. I have her link down below. She does come courtesy of Sam's Beauty, so make sure you check the link if you are interested in purchasing her. I might purchase an extra one of these on my own and do a giveaway, because I'm interested in doing a couple giveaways on this channel pretty soon. So let me know if you guys would be interested in winning one of these beauties as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.